Welcome to JH. I've been adding MedChoice Myo-Inositol to my daily wellness routine, and surprisingly, it hasn't been a total chore. The capsules are easy to swallow and don't leave that lovely chemical aftertaste we all pretend to enjoy. Because let's be honest, staying consistent is hard enough when your morning routine already involves 15 steps just to look human. After a few weeks, my energy and mood actually felt balanced, and I even saw an improvement in focus, which is a minor miracle for those of us who usually have the attention span of a caffeinated goldfish. It's gentle on the body but actually does its job, providing a sense of stability that makes daily life slightly less of a disaster to manage. I originally tried it for natural hormonal support, and it turns out the claims weren't just wishful thinking. It also seems to support better sleep and stress management, leaving me feeling significantly calmer at night. Getting deeper rest is a nice change of pace, especially since it leads to productive mornings instead of just hitting the snooze button until the afternoon. The formula is designed for reproductive health, metabolic balance, and emotional wellness, and it actually seems to deliver on all fronts. It's a clean, convenient supplement that handles multiple health areas at once, which is great if you're tired of your medicine cabinet sounding like a percussion section every time you move a bottle. Overall, it's a trustworthy choice for anyone looking to keep their energy, hormones, and general sanity in check through natural support.